How does this new mic sound? What up everybody, this is Scott Takai, and in today's video I'm going to be going over a quick little tip with you guys on how to sync video and audio together quickly. So when you're working with video and audio files in post, it's very tedious to go through all the video files and looking for the slate information and then having to go to the audio files and then listening to the slate information in order to put them together. So what I'm going to show you guys is how to set up your camera in a way where you can sync the video and the audio without looking at the slate. So this is actually not hard at all. The only thing that you're going to need is a shotgun mic on top of your camera, and then you're going to make sure that in your camera the audio levels are leveled properly. Alright, so now I'm going to take the files into Premiere and I'm going to show you how to quickly sync them together. So you're going to take the video file and drag it over into the sequence and let it create a new one, and then you're going to take the audio file and put it directly below it. And then you're going to highlight all of them, you're going to right click it and click on synchronize, click on the audio button down below and then push on OK, let it sync, and then bam. And I don't recommend deleting the camera audio because if you accidentally unsync it, having the camera audio there will make it easier to resync it. So what we're going to do instead is I'm going to hold Alt and click on the camera audio and then right click it and click on enable, and what that does is it just turns it off so that it doesn't actually do anything, but it's still there if we need it, and all we can hear now is the separately recorded audio. And then the last step that we're going to do is the audio files aren't actually linked together, so what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of them and then right click it and click on unlink. So that's going to completely separate all the files from each other, and what we're going to do next is we're going to do the exact same thing except we're going to click on link. And then what that does is it links all three of the files together so that they're treated as one. So this doesn't work 100% of the time because there's always going to be different variables that affect whether it works or not, but to maximize the likelihood that it will, just have a shotgun mic on top of your camera and level the audio inside of the camera to make sure that it sounds proper. I still recommend that you slate because like I said, this doesn't work 100% of the time, but if you do it correctly, it'll work like 95% of the time. But just in case for the situations that it doesn't work, still slate the video, still slate the audio so that if this doesn't work, you have the backup that will make it easier. So that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and check out all the other videos that I make because I make plenty more just like this one, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later.